In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Supabase, easy setup 2026. Supabase is a backend platform built on Postgres that makes it easy to spin up a database, authentication, storage, and APIs. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the homepage to a brand new project, while highlighting the key choices you'll see along the way. First, open your browser and go to supabase.com. You can use any modern browser. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection so the setup completes smoothly. Next, log into your Supabase account. Click Sign In and choose your preferred method, email and password or a third-party provider. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that step as usual. This part is quick. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your home base for everything you create. At the top or left, you'll see your organizations. An organization is simply a workspace that groups projects, billing, and access for your team. Select the organization where you want this project to live. If you're collaborating, double-check you're in the right workspace to keep things tidy. You'll also see any existing projects listed. If your goal today is to continue work on one of those, just click it to open. Otherwise, let's create something new. Find and click New Project. A short form appears. First, confirm the organization drop-down shows the correct workspace. Next, choose the plan that fits your needs. The free tier is great for getting started and testing. Enter a clear project name. Use something descriptive so teammates immediately know what it is. Then set a database password. This secures your Postgres database, so make it strong and unique. A good approach is to generate a long, random password and store it safely in a password manager. Avoid reusing passwords from anywhere else. Choose a region next. Pick the location closest to your primary users for the best latency. If your app has data residency requirements, align this choice accordingly. Regions can be hard to change later, so take a moment here to pick the right one. You may also see security-related options. If you're unsure, the defaults are sensible for most new projects, and you can refine settings later inside the project. When everything looks good, click Create New Project. Supabase will provision your resources, database, APIs, and dashboard. This can take a minute or two. Keep the tab open while it finishes. When it's ready, you'll land in your new project dashboard, and you're set to start building. That's it. Your Supabase project is created and ready to go.